world? This child has a whole leaf on the floor in here. How is this? How is this happening? Oh my God. All right, move her car out the way. Man, her car is dirty. Can't even see out the backup camera. In the world? It's good enough. Almost forgot my phone. What's going on, guys? So today, I'm gonna get a little bit of POV footage for you. Hopefully you guys got a good view. I'm still testing out different angles. When I try the head mount, it sits kind of high, so you don't really get a solid view. So I'm trying this one out where it sits around my neck. So hopefully you guys have a good view. But anyways, man, we're going to the gun range. I need to sight in, put a new sight on my Springfield Prodigy. So I need to get that sighted in and also get a little practice in with my concealed carry, which is a Shadow System CR920P. But yeah, anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get some range time in. It's been a while since I went to, so need to get more consistent with it, but you know, life happens, so we get it in when we can. And really the range I'm going to today, it's all right. It's not the best range, but it's the closest one to my house. I prefer the one over in Virginia Beach, but that's about 45 minutes away, and you have to cross over the bridge and fight traffic and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna go to the local one today and get in a little bit of target practice. What are you doing, lady? Good God, man, these people, these drivers out here, terrible. But anyway, man, it's a nice day out here. The sun's shining. What is it? It's about 57 degrees, something like that, I think. It's not 61 degrees, actually. Got somebody flying up on my tail right now, but there's cops up here, man. So y'all gotta chill. Look, see? Told you.
K8 and
Told y'all there's cops up here, man. Can't be messing around. There he goes right there. This road I'm about to get on, not this one right here, but one that's coming up, is like a perfect spot, man. It's kind of a trap though, because it's so perfect to, like, you just want to hit about 120 miles per hour down there, because it's just a straight road, but the cops sit out there. There's not much scenery to show you guys out here. It's pretty basic up here, man. Up in the Denby area of Newport News, if you're familiar with the area, if you were ever in the Army and stationed at Fort Eustis, you probably know exactly where I'm at right now. And I know a lot of people do these cutting up in traffic videos. There's too many cops out here, bro. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let y'all have that. Y'all can have that content and hold it down. I can't get with it, bro. Not trying to go to jail. But when we get on this road, I might push it a little bit for y'all, just so you're not completely bored. When I get to the gun range, I'm gonna get some footage of me shooting. Like I said, I'm gonna be sighting it in, so don't expect me to be shooting like John Wick up in there, because the the sight's not on target yet. But once I get it on, I should be Gucci. I should be able to go ahead and nail those bullseyes consistently. Springfield Prodigy is a pretty sweet gun too, so I'm excited to get this back out on the range. I only shot it once. All right, y'all, let's go. They're probably, like I said, they're probably going to be driving so slow, man. The speed limit's 35, which sucks, but hopefully you guys can see that, man. Look at this road. It's just like a straight shot. It's crazy. Like the left lane is moving a little bit faster anyway. But these cops will sit like right up here, man, and just wait for you. See where it's hitting at here. It's a little low. Yeah, a little bit low. Bring it up. All right, looks like it's on now. It took a minute to dial it in, but it should be on point now. So. Snatching it a little bit, but yeah, that's better. Go ahead and try this. This thing is worth picking up too. Go ahead and run this last mag. Not bad. Not bad. Prodigy. Hollow Sun 507 comp. Shadow System CR920P. The EPS carry. All right, I think that does it. Let's go ahead and get out of here. All right, well, we'll go ahead and try the head mount in the car just so I could get some footage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little range day here up at the Marksman in Newport News. So if you're in this area, this is a range you can come to. It's pretty cool. You do have to manually, you know, move your target down. They don't have it powered or anything like that. So a little old school, but it's whatever. You know, it gets the job done in a pinch. So let's go ahead and try to get some more driving footage here, I guess. Hopefully this comes out all right. I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see on this because I think it may sit too high, but I'll try to look down a little bit. So we'll go ahead and run through these back roads a little bit here. Try not to scrape my license plate off here. Not have too much wind noise. I do got to put the window down for this though. Have a little bit of fun. Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I'm trying out some different types of content on the channel. You never know what you may see up here, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.